So next one is dictionaries in Python. So always remember, dictionary is in the form of key value representation. It is always a pair. Okay, dictionaries are generally represented as key value pair notation. Okay, this is key and this is value, corresponding value. Okay, and all the items are accessed with the help of key. Okay, and these key value pairs are denoted inside curly braces. Okay, so this key can be a immutable object. Okay, it can be a tuple, or it can be a number, or it can be a string. Okay, and one more thing is we can actually add new dictionary. Okay, or you can also modify the existing dictionary. Okay, and this is not going to preserve any order while displaying. Okay, while displaying order can be changed. Okay, so this is how we create an empty dictionary using curly braces. If you are writing like this, then it is representing dictionary. Okay, and using curly braces we also write set, but that way of representing set and also a way of creating a new set is different compared to dictionaries. Okay, now we can print this dict2, which is going to produce an empty dictionary. Okay, so next one is dict3. So we are creating an empty dictionary here and we are printing this dict3, and this is how it is going to display an empty dictionary. So let us consider dict1 is equal to, there are some elements inside dict1. Okay, that is key value pairs are available. So this is the first key value pair, and this is the second key value pair, and this is the third key value pair. Okay, so X is clearly key, Y is also a key, and Z is also a key, and their corresponding values are clearly written here. Okay, now when I print the entire dictionary, we'll get result as X colon 1, this is the first item in the dictionary, and Y colon 2, this is the second item in the dictionary, and this is Z colon 3, which is the third item in the dictionary. Okay, now dict1 of Y, we are printing the key corresponding value. What is key here? Okay, X, Y, Z. So among which I am taking one particular key called Y, its corresponding value called 2 will be displayed here. Okay, next similarly we will also use this representation. Okay, and will display like this. For example, dict1 we already know X colon 1, Y colon 2, okay, Z colon 3. This is already we have discussed a basic dictionary one. Now I want to modify the key corresponding value. Let us suppose key corresponding value I want to update from 2 to 10. Okay, in that case I can identify the key and write like this: dict1 of key is equal to new value. New value is 10. So later we can display that dict1. Okay, so we can actually write here dict1. Okay, so that will give you the updated one. Okay, next similarly we can also update dict1. Dict1 of W equal to 0. Okay, this is we are adding a new entry to the existing dictionary. Okay, so again here we can write dict1 content. So after adding a new key value pair, it will display. Okay, and we can also return a value for the key. Okay, if A is the key but the key called A is not available in the dict1, that's why it is going to return none. Okay, it will return none because key is not present in the entire dictionary. Suppose if you are trying to access the key element A corresponding value and the key element is not found, in that case default value can be returned. Let us suppose I am writing a default value to be returned as 42. So in such case, you can give like this and you will get a default value if the key is not available. Yes, key is currently not available. We have keys like X, Y, Z, W, but A is not present. That is why it will give the default value 42. Okay, like this. Thank you.